Electronics, a word that spells out innovation, communication, and power to make people's lives easier. Electronics has successfully evolved throughout the decades, and now our world revolves around it. From the tip of our fingers, from the TV we love to watch, from the healthcare devices we rely into, and gadgets we use to explore the universe. But the question is, are you up for a challenge to become responsible to one of these innovations? Welcome to the world of electronics engineering. Electronics engineering is a field that focuses on designing, creating, manufacturing of communications and broadcast systems, developing and testing of electronic equipment, all used in our everyday lives. So, why study electronics engineering? Because in this field, you will learn to understand and encounter electrical circuits and its components, such as electron tubes and semiconductor devices. In ECE, you will learn about embedded systems, which will be able for you to integrate them into computer hardware and systems to perform a particular task. You will also learn about how wireless communication works, how people connect around the world. And you will learn to enhance your creativity in building robotics and AI systems to manufacture useful products. You'll also learn about embedded Ethernet controllers and power electronics. You will be able to learn and be proficient in using the operating systems such as Linux, Mac, and Windows. You will also explore about the Internet of Things technology and circuit board designing. And in this field, you will be given a chance to build your own prototype system. There are a lot more to learn in this field, so it is up to your best to explore. Electronics engineering focuses on real-world applications. So, if you're excited with math, science, and love technology, this is the course for you. In electronics engineering, there are various job opportunities waiting for you. You can work in telecommunications providers such as mobile phones, radios, TV, and satellite companies. Or even participate in scientific research such as physics and nanotechnology. Or even become a biomedical engineer that designs medical equipment for our healthcare needs. Or maybe you're interested in building spacecrafts, aircrafts, and satellites. And even a DJ or a celebrity. These are some of the job opportunities waiting for you, and there are many more. So, are you up for the challenge to become the next generation of electronic engineers? The whole world needs someone like you. So, take a leap to glimpse the future. Choose Electronics Engineering.